Today you will understand the difference between classical physics and quantum physics. Classical physics, also known as classical mechanics, gives the foundation for most of physics. This theory describes all macroscopic phenomena exactly and is based on Newton's laws of motion. The theory requires modification in two cases. Number one, in case of microscopic systems, examples are those of atoms, molecules and nuclei where we use quantum mechanics. And secondly, for the motion of bodies whose relative velocities approach the speed of light, c, or whose kinetic energies are comparable with the product of their masses m and the square of the velocity of light, or E is equal to mc square, where we use relativistic mechanics that was developed by Albert Einstein. Now there are three branches of classical mechanics: statistics, kinematics and dynamics. Statistics deals with systems at rest and in equilibrium. Kinematics deals with systems in motion, often accelerating without specifying the details of the force. And in dynamics, details of the laws of force are specified. Examples are like gravitational force or force due to a stretched spring. Thank you for watching.